Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with two essentials: admin rights and device manager. Once done, click Start, type Device Manager, and press Enter so you can act immediately. Make sure to expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. That shows each USB host and hub. You do this because Windows lists devices that need drivers there. Identifying the correct entry first saves time. If multiple USB entries appear, note names that include host controller or root hub before moving to the update step. Now you update a driver, right-click the specific USB device and choose Update Driver Software. You can pick Search automatically so Windows checks Windows Update, or Browse My Computer if you already downloaded the vendor package. If you choose Browse, point to the folder that contains. In Files, this lets Windows install the exact driver. Make sure to accept any prompts. Sometimes Windows will warn about driver signatures, but installing the official vendor driver ensures compatibility and fixes issues like finish by restarting your PC. This completes driver registration and clears transient errors, so verify the device shows without a yellow warning icon. If problems persist, uninstall the device from Device Manager and then choose Action Right Arrow Scan for hardware changes to force reinstallation. Make sure to try another USB port or a powered hub, because sometimes power or port faults mimic driver errors. If an update broke functionality, roll back the driver to the previous version, or reinstall the vendor driver to restore correct behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.